As an experienced tailor, you're surely familiar with the wonderful creations made in bias cut. It's an amazing technique, but also very difficult. And then particularly because there's no place in the world where you can really go deeper into this technique and learn how to work and create in the bias. That's why in 2014 I have developed a masterclass for tailors to understand how to develop design and the patterns suitable for bias. So, after years of doing it live, there's now an online version to make it easier for everyone with a passion for tailoring and couture to really learn about this technique. And of course, this is an online masterclass. It is possible that you have a moment where you don't know it anymore, you just lose it, or you need advice. And in that case, I'm here for you via Zoom or WhatsApp. Now, the benefit of this online version is that after the technical part, I can take you with me into fashion history of designers who have made stunning designs in the bias. And then I'm talking about a Madeleine Vionnet or a Joan Galliano, for example, who invented new ways of working in bias cut. I always say it helps to see examples of other designers to have any ideas of your own afterwards. The goal is, of course, that you will be able to apply this technique yourself in your own work. The practical information you can find in the announcement, but if you'd like to know more, just mail me on leon@leonleon.com, and I hope to welcome you at this wonderful masterclass about bias cut.